The subtle sound of running water and a falling chopstick. Ah! Loading! What? Did I not pick these up last time? Or they respawn? Ah, stop it! At what point did I save? Oh, scary sound. Didn't pick that up either. Hold on. Yes, I get it. Put it away! Thank you. Ay, Chihuahua. Oof. Game. Stop it. My collection of heads. You gotta be kidding me. None of my stuff I did earlier saved. Okay. Guess we choose what I want to make again. Okay. Back to the surface. Calvin! I'm coming! You shall not be alone, my boy. Yeah. Stop it. Calvin? My game cannot handle coming out to the outside. Calvin! Calvin! He's stuck on a rock. Everything's okay, Calvin. Let's go this way. Take that. Where are we going, Calvin? I don't quite know. Is that a fish? It's a fish! Get off of me! How do I don't know how to do that. Spear! There's a spear somewhere. Right? I have a spear. Don't I? Ah! Not what I wanted. That, and knife. Alright. Spear. Get out of my face. Ah! Gotcha. Haha! I am pro fisherman. Stick. I think I got all the fish. Oh. Oh. Hello? Where are you at? Oh, hi. Die! Stay back! You animal! You're not welcome here. Calvin, assist! Assist, Calvin! I can't be the only one defending us. Maybe brain dead, but you still have thumbs. Get my stamina back. Are you throwing rocks? Ow! Calvin, do something! I'm gonna die, Calvin. It'll be all your fault. Where's my pills? No, I'm not my glider. Calvin. Stop wandering. I'm gonna throw rocks at you again. Gotta grab my glider and go. To the water. To safety. Ah. Calvin. Calvin. Calvin's not moving. Don't worry, Calvin, I'm coming. Oh, you idiot. I thought your dad are stuck. How do you work? There we go. I think I had to hold it down. Alright, target sighted. Going in. I'm really gonna miss this thing. Turtles! I guess I could just make a boat. No! Oh, I saved it! He's got a gun. No! Save it! Save it! Save it! No! Oh, it does float. Okay. Got rations. I mean, you could have taken yourself to safety. Shut up! Shut up! Not gonna waste my ammo on you guys. I got a club though. Actually. Wait, hold on. Hold on. I got something better. Ah. Bring it on! Don't worry. I'll protect you from the birds of prey. Back off! Back off! Don't question my aim! That's not smart. Just taking my knife to this inflatable raft. Would it attract a shark if I were to grab... Oh, drop meat in the water? I think I attracted the shark. Please, just go away. You are a big boy. I don't... Back off! I don't like this. Go away, sir. Bruce? I feel like your name's Bruce, not just because... Where'd he go? Is that an insult? Is calling you Bruce an insult? I'm sorry, I didn't mean it. I don't like this. You guys are so annoying. Go away. Ah, there you are. Bud. I would appreciate it if you would let me just swim away. What is my options right now? Okay. Please do something. I don't think that made contact. I want to peek something out of the water, please. I don't want to die out here. Just do something. Ha! Eat it. Swimming away. This might be my opportunity. I must go. Move, fish, out of the way! There's another one! No! I am so far away from shore! Please! Serpentine! This is a different type of serpentine! I don't have the stamina for this! Please! It's getting shallower. Ugh. Fuck, I hated that. Jeez. Oh, that was terrible. I'll come back for that glider. I know where it's at.